Welcome back, nail crew. So I have a really quick video. I'm doing a fill on Muffin's nails. This set was done over a month ago and it's just been beat up. She lost a nail, so I'll be repairing that one. So I have a picture of what it looked like when it was freshly done. It was gorgeous. I love that set. The original set though was done over 4 months ago. So 4 months ago, she got a full set and we've just been filling them ever since. I really do feel like she needs a new set. Like I just need to soak off the old acrylic and just start over. But I don't have time to do that today. I'm heading out of town tonight and I didn't want to leave my Muffin at home with her nails looking so horrible. So I was like, you know what? It's super late, but I gotta do your nails. Like I cannot go out of town knowing that Muff's back home and her nails look like this. So I was like, let's just get it done tonight, even though it's late. You know, sometimes we gotta do what we gotta do, and nails are very important. If your nails and your hair look good, then you feel good, period. You know what I'm saying? So I did her hair a couple days ago. It is so cute. And now I'm doing her nails so that while I'm out of town, Muff will be home feeling super beautiful and confident. So I went ahead and added the primer. The primer that I used is the same one on my website. So if you guys are interested in a primer or want to try a new primer, check out the description box. My link to the website will be there and just check it out. You know, I have primer, I have acrylic, I have monomer, and I'll be carrying brushes really soon. So yeah, check me out, y'all. Check me out. So I applied the primer, I let that dry, and now I'm going in with base coat gel polish. This gel polish is from the Gel Bottle Ink. However, there are many other really good base coat gel polishes. So find what works best for you and use that. The Gel Bottle Ink is a professional only company as of this year. I don't know why they made the switch. I really couldn't tell you. But if you do have a license, you can purchase from their site. The gel polish is very expensive, but I must say that it's worth it. I do not have a coupon code at this time, but I'm working on it, guys. Cross your fingers, cross your fingers. If I do get one, I will put it in the description box, but I don't have one as of right now. So I'm just going to apply the base coat gel polish to all of her nails and then cure that in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. Now her nails are tinted yellow. These are her real nails. I hate that. I always say like, Jaden, are you dehydrated? Why are your nails always so yellow? This is just how her nails are, and these are her real nails, all except for the pointer because that one broke and I added a new tip. So, I mean, it is what it is. I don't like that yellow tint. It's kind of annoying and unsightly to look at, you know, but that's just how her nails grow. What can I say? But I do want to point out that her nails have grown so much. You know what, nail crew? Pause that thought. As she cooks her nails in the oven, as she bakes her nails, I want you guys to check and make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. If not, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell so that you know when I upload next. All right, so back to the video. Yes, guys, if you guys watched the original set when I did her full set, look how short her nails were back then and look how long they are now. Keep in mind that when I removed the previous set just now to do this fill, I cut her nails down quite a bit. She was so upset. She was like, Mom, I'm trying to be the person with the longest nails in the world. I was like, Muff, no. Heck no, I'm cutting these down. So I cut them down quite a bit. Her nails are almost as long as mine, y'all. And these are her real nails. Muffin, if you're watching this video, I'm very proud of you because you are turning into a lady that can manage long nails. Not everyone can manage long nails. You know what I'm saying? I'm so proud of her, especially considering the fact that last year she hated nails. I used to beg her, please, Muff, I need to practice. Please let me do your nails. Like I used to beg her, and then I used to have to bribe her to do her nails. And then when I did her nails, I used to have to beg and bribe her to do a fill, and then I used to have to beg and bribe her not to bite them off. Y'all, we have come a long way, and I'm just proud. We've come a long way. The fact that this original set has been on for 4 months and it's been over a month since she's had a fill and she's only lost one nail, I feel really good. nail tech and have my daughter walking around with like nubs, you know, bitten nails. I just can't do it. I just wouldn't feel good about myself. So I'm just very proud. You know, it's the small things, it's the little things. And, you know, it just made me smile. It really made me smile when she sat down here for me to do a fill, and I did not have to beg, bribe, or any of that. It was just like, Muff, I'm going out of town. Let me go ahead and hook you up before I leave. Boom, boom, pow. And she was like, all right. Oh my gosh, guys. It was amazing. It was amazing. Let me tell you. Oh my gosh. Okay, so anyway, let me walk you through this nail really quick. Let me walk you through the nail. So as you can tell, I'm doing 2 nails at a time before I flash cure it. That's because the gel that I'm using, the plasma gel from the POTTLE, is very thick. And so it kind of stays where you put it within reason. You know, if you left it there too long, obviously it will run. It is a liquid type substance, but it's just not too runny. So I do have time to play with this. So I like it. I really do like the plasma gel. So you saw me brush on a slip layer. Now I'm floating the gel down the nail. And then I did a flash cure for 10 seconds. After the flash cure, I moved on to the next nail. So in this case, it's the thumb. So like I pointed out before, I did the ring finger and the pinky finger at the same time, flash cured that for 10 seconds. And then I did the middle finger and the pointer finger, flash cured those two for 10 seconds just to save time. Because like I said, it's really, really late. I think it's like 11 p.m. when I'm doing her nails. And then I'm going to drop her to her dad's house. Then I got to hit the road. So yeah, it's late. I'm trying to go as quickly as I can, but I still want her nails to look nice. I'm still just so floored that these are her real nails. I'm just so proud of you. I'm just so, Muff, if you're watching, I'm super proud of you. All right, so now that the thumb is done, now you could do a full cure. So let me just point that out again. I did the pinky and the ring finger, flash cured those for 10 seconds just to hold it in place as I moved on, right? Then I did the middle and the pointer, flash cured that for another 10 seconds, right? Just to hold it in place as I moved to the thumb. After I was done with the thumb, I put the hand in the lamp and cured it for a full 60 seconds. When I was done with that, popped them out the lamp, did a quick file and shape. Then I used a manicure brush and some alcohol and just dusted away all the filing and dust that I created. And that is it, guys. That is it. It's so quick and easy to do gel nails. Like, I don't know why I really didn't get into gels sooner. I just don't know why. They last forever. They're super durable and they're easy. Oh my gosh, they're easy. If you guys want to catch me doing gel nails to myself, you can watch when I did my right hand. So this yellow and pink set that I'm wearing on my right hand, that's actually a gel set, and I'll leave the link to that in the description box below. My left hand over here, that's full acrylic. So if you prefer to watch an acrylic set, you guys can watch that. I'll leave both videos in the description box. So anyway, y'all, Muff picked out exactly the colors that she wanted. If you guys know Muff, you know she knows what she wants. She knows what she wants, and I cannot veer from that, or else she's gonna be like, nope. Nope, I'm not doing my nails. She's very, very specific. So not only did she pick out the colors that she wanted, she also picked out the fingers that she wanted the colors on. So her right hand is various shades of like this pink fuchsia, which I'm very surprised because Muff hates pink. Pink is her least favorite color. So when she did, I was like very, very shocked. But I didn't argue. I just went with it. I was like, okay, Muff, here we go. But then on her left hand, she has various shades of blue. She loves blue. Blue's one of her favorite colors. So we did that hand first. She was very happy with it. And then she was like, you know what? Should I do my other hand a different color? And I was like, hell yeah! Yeah, girl, yeah, let's do it. Because, oh my gosh, look at Muff's old sets. Look at her previous sets. They're very much, simple. She picks out very classic colors, very clean colors, and that's just that. But when she said I could do the hands different and she picked out different colors of pink, I was like, who are you and what did you do at Muff? Never mind that. Let me go quickly before she changed her mind. So I went ahead and polished her nails, and then I topped it with the no wipe top coat from Not Polish, and now I'm going in with the cuticle oil. The cuticle oil you can find on my website. Check me out, guys. I think these nails came out so cute. Video was short and to the point. I just wanted to get something up here for you guys to watch because I know a lot of you guys are quarantined and super bored. Now I'm going in with the lotion. This lotion is good for your hands, your body. It nourishes your cuticle area. Y'all, this lotion is now on my website and it smells so good. And I try to put it in a bottle that matched the monomer bottle. So you guys, if you buy monomer and then you buy lotion and they're in the same type of bottle, I feel like that just looks so clean and polished and professional in your nail station if everything matches, So right now I have the monomer and the lotion you could buy as a duo, and they come in matching bottles, and I think that will just look so professional in your nail area. Now, eventually, I think I'm going to start selling alcohol and acetone also in the matching bottles, so you can have the 4 matching bottles on your station. I just feel like they're so pretty and they're refillable, so you guys can just buy the set from me and then continue to fill them as needed, or you could just continue to buy more from me. I'm just saying, gotta throw that out there. All right, guys, so again, just showing you guys the bottle because I just think it's so cute. And here is the finished product. So simple, but I really do like it. And again, Muff picked out all the colors she wanted. She picked out the fingers that she wanted them on. Like, I had zero input on what was happening. You know what I mean? I had zero input. But you know what? They came out so cute. They're very age appropriate, and I like them. Muff, you did a good job. She did a really good job of picking out her own colors, y'all. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!